What kind of killer app does the Chinese Air Force need to deal with the 100 B-21 stealth bombers that the US military will soon install? This is a major issue of national air defense security. Perhaps with the Chengfei J-36 and Shenfei J-50 new fighter aircraft intensive test flight gradually clear. In the aviation industry from the end of 2024 to the beginning of 2025, China's two aviation giants have shown their cards one after another. The Chengfei J-36 completed 3 high-intensity test flights in 5 days, while the Shenfei J-50 showed its unique aerodynamic layout through the latest exposure of clear test flight photos. The simultaneous breakthrough of the two sixth-generation fighters not only highlights the profound heritage of China's aviation industry, but also reveals China's strategic consideration of building a new air defense system. From the recently disclosed test flight images of the J-50, the model continues Shenfei's technical accumulation in the field of high-speed interceptors, and its slender streamlined fuselage is quite similar to the design language of the MiG-25, suggesting the ultimate pursuit of high altitude and high-speed performance. This aerodynamic layout is unique in the design of sixth-generation aircraft, in sharp contrast to the wide-body stealth configuration of Chengfei's J-36. Military experts analyze that J-50's extreme speed of more than Mach 2.5, together with the improved Thunderbolt 17 ultra-long-range air-to-air missiles, can build up an airborne interdiction network covering a radius of 2,000 kilometers, and this combination poses a fatal threat to the B-21 bomber, which is good at supersonic surprise defense. It is worth noting that while emphasizing high-speed performance, the J-50's diamond-shaped nose incorporates stealthy designs such as DSI air intakes and serrated hatches, as well as a main bomb bay that can hold 6 medium-range bombs, showing a balanced design concept that takes stealth and firepower into account. In the face of the US Air Force plans to install hundreds of B-21 Raider stealth bomber, China's aviation weapons R&D logic has shifted from pure technology catch-up to system confrontation. B-21, although in the bomb capacity and range than the B-2 compromised, but it's $600 million in single-engine costs and triple-digit scale, so that the implementation of the strategic value of the saturation attack. In this regard, China's military-industrial system has chosen a dual-track parallel development path. Chengfei J-36 focuses on all-area situational awareness and multi-area coordinated operations, and its quantum radar and artificial intelligence-assisted decision-making system can penetrate the complex electromagnetic environment to accurately locate stealthy targets, while the Shenfei J-50 focuses on building an aerial sniper role, and is equipped with pulse explosive engine and adaptive cycling technology to achieve sustained supertravel at an altitude of 30,000 meters. With its pulse burst engine and adaptive cycle technology, it can realize continuous super patrol at 30,000 meters high altitude, together with BL super long-range missiles with a range of more than 400 kilometers, forming a closed loop of interception and killing of stealth bombers. In terms of shipboard transformation, the J-50 shows even more exciting technological potential. Compared with the bulky J-36, the 22-meter fuselage length and foldable wingtip design of the J-50 are perfectly suited to the space requirements of aircraft carrier elevators and hangars. Its leading-edge maneuvering flaps and tri-wing layout improve low-speed maneuverability, which, together with the improvement of landing hooks and reinforced landing gear, marks a major breakthrough in China's heavy carrier aircraft field. If the J-50 shipboard model comes out on schedule, with the electromagnetic catapult system of the 003 aircraft carrier, the Chinese Navy will get the shipboard fighter aircraft that forms the generation difference advantage over the F-35C for the first time, and the air and sea power comparison in the Western Pacific region may usher in a historic turnaround. From the northwestern Gobi to the blue sea and blue sky, China's sixth-generation aircraft's twin advancement is quietly reshaping the rules of future air warfare. International observers note that China's sixth-generation aircraft program shows a unique technology frog jump characteristics. Unlike the US GAD program, which emphasizes the penetrating air control route of single-platform omnipotence, China has chosen to realize the flexible architecture of system confrontation through the functional decomposition of the J-36 and J-50. This design philosophy has already appeared in the recent joint test training. J-36 provides target guidance for J-50 in the complex electromagnetic environment by virtue of its broadband stealth coding and optoelectronic distributed aperture system, while J-50 utilizes its high-speed breakout capability to carry out a lightning hunt against the simulated B-21 fleet. This kind of reconnaissance, strike, integrated combat mode may subvert the traditional air war to platform performance on heroes of the mindset. In the field of power system, the two warplanes also show remarkable breakthroughs. The new variable cycle engine that provides surging power for J-50 adopts 3D printed monolithic lobe disc and ceramic-based turbine blade technology, and its thrust-to-weight ratio reaches an astonishing level of 15:1, which far exceeds the 9:1 index of the current WS-15 engine. This revolutionary advancement in the power system enables the J-50 to maintain a sustained cruising speed of Mach 1.8 while carrying 4 ultra-long-range missiles in a fully armed state. The J-36 is equipped with a next-generation adaptive engine, which realizes the perfect unity of high fuel efficiency in the subsonic phase and strong thrust in the supersonic phase, through the adjustable culvert ratio design, making its combat radius expected to exceed the 2,500-kilometer mark. Facing the swarm tactics that the B-21 fleet may adopt, China's air defense system is building a multi-level interception network. In addition to the J-50 as the main high-altitude and high-speed interceptor, the Chengfei J-36 may assume the role of battlefield commander. The quantum communication equipment it carries can realize real-time data fusion with high-altitude drones and early warning satellites, building a three-dimensional anti-stealth detection network. It is noteworthy that in a recent combat exercise, J-36 successfully guided the ground anti-stealth radar and HQ-19 anti-missile system to realize the combat effectiveness of discovering and destroying the simulated stealth target. This kind of integrated countermeasure system of air and sky is the key to deal with the large-scale surprise defense of B-21. In terms of avionics system, the two sixth-generation aircraft adopt modularized open architecture. The J-50 cockpit is equipped with an augmented reality flat display system, which can project flight data, threat warning and weapon status information in a three-dimensional fusion, and the pilot can complete complex tactical operations through gesture recognition. The flying J-36 goes one step further, with its intelligent skin technology integrating sensors and airframe structure and depth, and the flexible phased array units distributed along the leading edge of the wings can realize 360-degree dead-angle situational awareness without increasing the radar reflective cross-section. This technological leap not only enhances the survivability of a single aircraft, but also lays the hardware foundation for future manned aircraft, unmanned aircraft cooperative operations. China's sixth-generation aircraft dual-line pattern is rewriting the strategic balance of the Asia-Pacific region. When the air combat system personally experienced by U.S. Air Force Secretary Kendall is still in the testing stage, the J-36 is equipped with the cloud warfare system, which has already realized 80% of the autonomous air combat decision-making rate in the simulated confrontation. The Mach 3.2 speed record created by J-50 at a test base in northwest China has dwarfed the Mach 1.8 breakout speed that B-21 is proud of. The establishment of this generational advantage is not only reflected in the paper parameters, but also permeates the synergistic efficiency of the entire combat system, from early warning satellites to find the target to J-50 launch missiles. The entire closed loop of the killing chain has been compressed to a staggering 90 seconds or less. Standing in the historical dimension, the emergence of J-36 and J-50 is similar to the feat of J-20 in breaking the monopoly of stealth fighters. But the difference is that this time, China's aviation industry is no longer a lonely chaser, but a leader in defining the standard of sixth-generation aircraft. When the U.S. GAD program is slowed down by the debate over the technical route, and the British Storm fighter is still in the conceptual stage, China's two sixth-generation prototypes have already completed hundreds of test flights. This shocking China's speed, not only from the deep concern for national defense and security, but also rooted in several generations of aeronautics' thick and thin accumulation of technology. From the Lombard lens to the photonic crystal skin, from the gallium nitride T/R components to the neuron flight control system, every technological breakthrough tells of the perfect fusion of Oriental wisdom and industrial civilization.